Hello everyone, this is Solomon. I'm here to explain about triggers in database management using Oracle. So this is our first question. Create a trigger or to check the validity of a core score should be of 2 digit, cannot be less than 10 and greater than 99 before a row is inserting in the course table. So first we need to create a course table. So our course table is course underscore 1236. In this we are including course code, course name and syllabus and last number. So if we create a table, so you know how to create a table. So after creating a table we need to insert the data. So after inserting the data we can use this query to create a trigger. So create or replace trigger x1 before inserting of course underscore 1236 for each row begins if new course is greater than 9 and new dot course score is less than 100. Then DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line valid and insertion takes place, else raise underscore application underscore error. So if this is not getting inserted, we will raise an error called 2004 not valid and end if and this slash. Okay, now let me copy this query and paste in SQL. Yeah, here is our SQL. So if we paste our SQL in our SQL, okay, bind variable new not declared. Okay, begin, it's begin. Okay, so this, okay, you can see here trigger is successfully created. So here begin, so this got some error. So first that's why we got some error. So you can see here trigger created successfully. So when we go to the next query, create a trigger which does not allow any DML operation over the inquiry table if the name of the user is student1. So this is an exceptional case or something like that we can take. So if there is a code, so here is a code for creating a table of inquiry underscore 1236 and inserting the data here, so about the students or whatever. So here is the source code, like create or replace, everything will be same here. So now if new dot name is equals to student1, then raise an application of 2001 error. Okay, now uh, if we get this code, it should raise an error. Okay, now, okay, so create a replace table, insert of update or delete inquiry table 1236. Okay, just a second, let me. So as we can see here, so we need to have this. So this is about creation of table. This is this all about, and next is about inserting data here. Now this is our code. Let's take our code and paste in the SQL. Okay, let's see. So you can see trigger is successfully created. So whenever the data enters like this name, this will not allow the user to enter the data. Now let's go to the third question. Create a trigger that allows no insert operation of on fee payment table when the amount is less than 10,000. So when the amount is less than 10,000, you should not allow the fee payment. So it's like a new dot amount. So if new dot amount is less than 10,000, then raise an application error of this is denied. If it's more than 10,000, uh, this will accept the transaction. So if you copy this and paste here, trigger is successfully created. And when we go to the fourth question, create a trigger to ensure no insert operation to be allowed in an inquiry table which when the query date is below 25th August 17 2017. Okay, so this should not allow the data if the date is less than 25th of August 17. So we can use J date here. So and a new dot inquiry date is greater than 25 August and 17, only the data will be taken. Otherwise, this will raise an application error of 2200 or denies. Okay, for this, let's copy this, paste it here. So trigger is successfully created. Now, okay, yeah. Fifth one, okay, create a trigger which does not allow any update operation in any query table whenever the old value of update statement is not equals to the old value of the table. So when the old value of the update statement is equals to old value of the table, then it should not accept. Okay, so this is the creation of the table. Okay, so if you take this code, copy, query, paste it, so trigger is successfully created. So when the data enters is similar with that, I mean, like when the data enter, when the data of updating data or updating data is equal to the data present previously, then it will not accept the data to be taken. So create a trigger to ensure that no insert operation to be allowed in a fees paid table when the average of the fee paid amount is below 50,000. So previously we did 10,000, so you can do it like 50,000 here. This is the case almost here. And in the beginning, create a replace trigger of T6 after inserting of pay underscore 1236 for each row. Deny a integer. Begin select average of amount in the fee payment of underscore 1236. If a is greater than 50,000, then it will allow. Otherwise, else raise an application error of 2009, no more insertion allowed. Okay, so let me copy this and paste it here. So trigger is successfully created. So this is all about triggers in DBMS. So that's all in this video. Hope you understood. Thank you everyone.